Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 27th, 2021. In this additional, we have Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. We have a tectonic with 4 star, tectonic with 1 star, binary number one, and a binary number two. So two, no, eight total. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all. Too much time to solve. I need also some spare time. Only 4 of them I will solve. The 3 stars I will solve. The 4 stars I will solve. And 1 tectonic and 1 binary. So the first one is a Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 2231. Alright, 2231. And I have already counted the printed digits. This one has 25. The 3 stars has always 25. The 4 stars, this one, has 24. I've already counted. The 2 stars has 24, 26, and the 1 star 27 printed digits. So the publisher has listened to me, yes, because the past few weeks all the puzzles has 25 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are in the second column the 2, the 3, and the 4. And look, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. And we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 digit left in the second column for the number 2. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place for a 2 should be there. Then. Right, five. 7, 3. Okay. 1, 3, 4, and a 2. Well. Let me see. We have a 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 8 in this column? The 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then 5. Yes. In the last column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. Here also a 5, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. In one of those 2 boxes is a 5 in the last column. We have a 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, we see there 5, so no 5s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see there 5, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. And we have a pair, 5 and a 9 in this column. 5 and a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the 9 and the 5 together as a pair goes in these 2 boxes. Alright. 1, 4, 8. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the 1, 4, 8. Are the numbers 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. That means we have an 8 in one of these 3 boxes in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3, 3, 2, and 4. Okay. Okay. Well. Yeah. How about the number? The number. 7, 6. Let me think. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 9, 5, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. Here also a 1, so no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 in this column should be there. Then 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 4. I need more numbers. More numbers, yes. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 5, 5, 1. Okay. 8. Yeah. Yeah. Not easy. Not easy at all. Three missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, with a 1 and an 8 in this row, so no 1 and an 8 in this box. The 1 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. So one box left in this big square for number 4. Okay. For 4. Let me think. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 5 and 7. I need the 7 here. Yeah. 9, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and the 7 are missing. 3 and a 7 in this column are missing. 3 and a 7, we see there 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. The 3 goes in there. Alright. So we have 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place for a 7 should be there. 7. Okay. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. I've marked those two boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. Okay. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 3 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Then... Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those missing numbers here are for the numbers 1, the 2, and the 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 and 4 are left. 2 and 4 are left. That means 1 digit left in this column for the number 7. Yes, 7 is missing. 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for a 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Here we have also a 2 numbers left in the third column, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. That means now we have a pair here, 2 and a 4. That means 1 number left in this row for the number Missing number here 3. So 2 and the 4 are left. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 2. One number left in this big square for the number 4. One number left in the middle a row for the number 4. Okay. 2 is missing in this big square. 3 is missing in this big square. 2, 3, and 8. 2, 3, and 8 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. 8 and 1. Okay. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd row, 1 in the 1st row, so the row between the 2nd row. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Then how about the 4 in this row, 4 in the row above, so in that row only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4. Oh, one number left in this 3rd column for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. 2 in this row, 2 in the 3rd row, so the row will be 3 in the 2nd row. The only place for a 2 should be there. 8 and 1, 8 and 1. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about those 2 numbers? 8 and 3? 8 and 3? Yes, 8 and 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row, the 8 and 1, 8 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in the 1st column for the number 3. Yes. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. No, 5 we have 4. 4 is missing. Alright. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Definitely a 3-star Sudoku. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku, so see you later. Bye bye for now.